Okay, good morning, guys. I just want to show you something. What's the anticipation? What is it that we are looking for? So I have dollar index on the upper side. I have US 30 on the downside. So what is it that I'm looking forward to? We know uh, the inverse relationship that is there between the dollar and indices and currencies. When you have the dollar pushing up, I'm going to talk about indices because I specialize with US that I can trade anything, pretty much anything that I look at, but I specialize on US that I love it. So this is the relationship that is there between the dollar and the indices. When you have the dollar pushing to the downside, you're going to have the indices pushing to the upside. When you have the indices pushing to the downside, you're going to have the dollar pushing to the upside. In this scenario, what is it that I'm looking forward to? If I'm going to take this eyes, we are not doing trend lines here. So don't be like, no, I saw Buddha Naomi. It's not like that. So what I'm looking forward to is that I want the inverse relationship between the USDT and the dollar, meaning to say that I want to see dollar as it will be going below this low, as the dollar will be breaking below this low, reaching out into the 4 hourly gap. I want to see US 30 most likely pushing above those highs. That's what I'm looking forward to. As long as we have, I don't really have much of that. I'm going to just take it as if I'm just going to take it to be one of those instances where we are in a low resistance liquidity run. Simple as that. My bias is that I want to see dollar. I'm not saying therefore for that reason go and buy. I'm not saying that. I'm just telling you what is it that I'm looking forward to, what is it that I've been operating with, and why is it that I have positions that I have. Don't try to jump in. It's too late for most of you. So I want to see how is it that we're going to operate above there. Whereas on the dollar, I want to see the dollar purging that, eventually reaching out to this. Hence, I was saying that every time when you have a bias, or every time when you bring yourself into the market saying that I want to buy, I want to sell, what is your reason for selling? What is your reason for buying? My reason is that I have a 4 hourly gap right here. Therefore, I want to see the dollar most likely pushing back, pushing down to come and at least come back inside that. It might not, it might not. Is that going to affect my positions? That's not going to affect my positions. I have my positions sitting down at, I have my positions actually sitting down at 32,845. That's where I have my positions at. I'm trying to see if US 30 most likely today is going to run and take out 32. It's going to be 32,983. So 32,983, that'll be somewhere. Okay, it's not. Okay, let's do this. 32,983. So I want to see if we're going to pull up to this level right here. So more or less we have that pushing down to this. At the same time, I want to see if we can move relatively equal to how much that one is going to move. So like I stated, I want to see US 30 taking out this. So in this, whatever at this point, once we have that taken out, now we can talk about a thing where I have both the dollar and the index actually having that fair proportional, in a way that this has to take out the lower lows, this one has to take out the higher highs. That's how it plays when you look at these things. I'm not using, it's not a matter of divergence and all that. I'm just giving you raw information as is. But other than that, everybody cheers. Take care.